Let us start the exercise 1.6. Question number 1. Find the values of the following. And the first part is 64 raised to the power of 1 by 2. 64, when I find the prime factorization of 64, it is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times. 2 is repeated 6 times, so I can write it in the exponential form. 2 raised to the power of 6, then 1 by 2 is already there, whole raised to the power of 1 by 2. 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 1 by 2. 2 and 6 we can cancel with 3, so we get 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. This can also be done by writing 64 is equal to 8 squared. So it becomes 8 squared raised to the power of 1 by 2. 8 raised to the power of 2 into 1 by 2. 2 and 2 getting cancelled. You get 64 raised to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to 8. But this is not a general method. General method is to find the prime factorization of the given number and then proceed. Second part of the question is 32 raised to the power of 1 by 5. 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 5. Find the prime factorization of 32. You will get 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. So it is 2 raised to the power of 5 whole raised to the power of 1 by 5. 2 raised to the power of 5 multiplied by 1 by 5. 5 and 5 getting cancelled. You get 32 raised to the power of 1 by 5 is equal to 2. Next question, 125 raised to the power of 1 by 3. When you find the prime factorization of 125, it is 5 into 5 into 5 or 5 raised to the power of 3. 5 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 1 by 3, which is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. 3 and 3 got cancelled, which is equal to 5. Therefore 125 raised to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to nothing but 5. Question number 2, again find the value of the following. Part 1, 9 raised to the power of 3 by 2. 3 square is the prime factorization of 9. 9 equal to 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 square. So 9 raised to the power of 3 by 2 is equal to 3 squared whole raised to the power of 3 by 2. Now 2 into 3 by 2, 2 and 2 can be cancelled. You get 3 raised to the power of 3. 3 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 27. Second part, 32 raised to the power of 2 upon 5. First we find the prime factorization of 32, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to the power of 5. Then 2 raised to the power of 5 whole raised to the power of 2 by 5. 5 multiplied by 2 by 5. 5 and 5 can be cancelled. You get 2 square. 2 square, which is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. First step is to find the prime factorization of the number whose value is to be calculated. 32 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 5. Find the value of 16 raised to the power of 3 by 4. Find the prime factorization of 16, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then whole raised to the power of 3 by 4. 2 raised to the power of 4 whole raised to the power of 3 by 4. 2 raised to the power of 4 into 3 by 4 4 and 4 is cancelled. You get 3 3 in the exponent, 2 raised to the power of 3, which is equal to 8.